At a press conference held in the city on the 30th of November 2022, members of the Nyotrap Aceh National Movement or the HANM had spoken on the domination of Assam authorities over residents of the border village of Mukro in West Jaintia Hills of Meghalaya. Addressing the media, the Vice President of the organization, Kalangthongni, had sought clarification on the recent statement made by the Chief Executive Member of the Karbi Anglong Autonomous District Council, Tuliram Ronghang, wherein he stated that there is a presence of illegal settlers in Mukro village. Thongni further added that the village of Mukro is located in West Jaintia Hills district of Meghalaya, and therefore it is unacceptable that the villagers who are of the Khasi community are considered by the CEM of the Karbi Anglong ADC as illegal settlers in their own land.
Point kabang ikwa ya kaban pensyai lengba jong media kan kapor kolong habang ilayo I ya ka statement kejong CM Karbi Anglong Autonomous District Council Tuliram Ronghang ya kaba ulah kentho bahamukro kidon ki illegal settlers kani ke kentian illegal settlers kalapan ingkong ini kum ginelam jong sang kalapan pitar bat nomor kata kani kupor ni dawa bat ni kwa ba une urang ba un pensyai ya ke jingmut keberan syadien ya ini kentian illegal settlers hangti hamukro kumbakalong kinong senong hak tu kejaka hak tu kesenong idei ijat benrio Khasi bat kani ke statement ke jongliu rangba kalau kum ke insult ya kejat benrio ya ki parado prasnam jongi badan hangti ibasa hangti kepo mukro bat ke jingmut ke jongliu rangba klempep kan wanra dagawai ke jingthau bat kata kan long ban penya kelas ya ki artili ke jat benrio khasi ke jat benrio Karbi nadu ke basdang kum ki nalam jong ka state ki political party ki seng balang ba fer ki seng niam ki lapen snu tho bagani ke issue ke interstate dispute interstate issue hapring jong ki artili government jong Meghalaya ba government Assam kamdei ban kata jat benrir Henry kei ke ba kalau pengi kongi kalau bau ni orang ba CM jong ni ka Karbi Anglong Autonomous District Council ulah kentho da ka bong ba ki Khasi ki besong hang tu ki dei ki besong bi an kani ka kam ka jing kadei ka kam ka ba hap bani penbet na ki artli ki government Henry uni orang ba usdang bermuslia usdang ban pensapriang ye kiba la banlong ke jingmusau hapreng jongi bat ki Karbi kumta nakle joseng kabu ke jimham ye ki official bat kumjuru ye ka Karbi Anglong Autonomous District Council ba ambet ban persang ban yurat lani ban kam wat shi ye ke jaga jongi kumba nakliang jong ki nongsen charge nong hang tu kilapan I bat kumjuro ban nakliang jong siam ro ulah pensai ba penting na ba mugro kadai hapo uput sang jong ke beri Nyotrap